Every HVAC technician needs the right tools to get the job done efficiently. Let's dive into the essential tools every HVAC pro should have in their toolkit. First up, the manifold gauge set, crucial for checking pressure and diagnosing system performance. Next, a vacuum pump is key for removing air and moisture before charging with refrigerant. A leak detector is a must for finding refrigerant leaks, whether electronic or soap bubble type. Don't forget a refrigerant scale to accurately measure the gas you're adding. A thermometer or infrared thermometer is essential for checking air and component temperatures. A multimeter is vital for checking voltage, current, and resistance in electrical parts. Finally, tube cutter and flaring tools are necessary for cutting copper pipes and making flaring connections. Investing in these tools boosts your efficiency and safety on the job.